Hey gang, John here. In the fine tradition that I've started here of keeping everybody up to date on my projects during this quarantine time. It's March of 2020. I thought I would show you my latest project or my newest project. Did a little design work for it, getting it ready for to go. It's basically shovel ready, so to speak. And this project is going to be a fire pit. And what it is a washing machine drum, which I had one of these. I had a washing machine fail last year. And when I scrapped the machine, I pulled the drum out of it. And I'd seen these things before and thought these were kind of cool. So I figured I'd give one a try, see if I could build one here. I know I could build one, but let's see if we can come up with a cool one. This drum, actually, this looks like a dryer drum right now, but actually it's a washing machine drum. There's a ton of holes in it, and this is just a drawing of it. It's about 22 inches in diameter. It's about 18 inches high or so, maybe a little bit more. And this drawing isn't exact replica, but the important dimensions are exact, which allowed me to start designing it. And for now, I'm going to leave the bottom in it. I didn't find a definitive answer whether the bottom needed to be removed or not, but there is some holes in the bottom, and I'll show you a little bit more how I'm going to fix that. So the first thing I needed to do was put some legs on it, and that was I designed these legs, and basically these legs were designed to keep it up high enough off the grass so it doesn't burn the grass. And then I put these feet on the legs so that it won't sink if there's mud there or sand. It could be use it in a variety of different environments. I also put a nice little detail on here, or at least I think it's a nice little detail, a little curved area on the leg, basically so it matches with the curved up on the top. And I still haven't decided if I'm going to cut this lip off yet or leave it on, but for now I think I'm going to leave it on. So once I had this, I looked at it and said, whoa, I've got to find a way to keep the ashes from dropping out on the ground and poisoning the grass. So I found that looking on Amazon, I found that a wok, that you use for cooking, would looks like it would work perfectly. And there it is stuck in there. This one's about 17 inches in diameter, and all the holes that are in the bottom are inside. Basically, they fall inside the envelope of the wok. Then I needed a place to support it or a way to support it, so I just designed a quickie little support for it. Don't know how well this is going to work out, but I think it'll be a good starting point. And hold the tray up. I should be able to get the tray out, and also the wok is a small enough diameter that it'll fit between the legs. There's basically about 18, a little bit over 18 inches between the legs here for the wok to come out. So I have to be able to position this wok so it fits, nests securely in the tray, but at the same time it will be able to remove it so I can empty it. So basically, this is the project. This is episode 1 of the series. I've been watching a lot of YouTube how-to videos and thought I would contribute something to the collective consciousness here with my YouTube, my channel. And so if you're watching this on YouTube, please like, share, subscribe, and supposedly I get money for that. But we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Not why I'm doing it. But any event, hopefully I'll have another update later this week or next week.